Should you be grilling your steak on a stone? Today we are going to sacrifice one of the most expensive steaks in the world to figure out that question. Before we start cooking on stones, we got something to celebrate because my book is here. It finally arrived, look at it. We've been working on this for such a long time and 288 pages came out of that process. The best pictures, the best recipes, side dish, desserts, vegan, meat, smoker, grilled, everything is in this book. It's freaking awesome. And if you like it, there's even a picture of me in there. Look, Marcin, you like pictures of me? From today on, it's in the bookstores in the Netherlands. It's at the Napoleon dealers, bookstores, online shops, everywhere. Next week, we're rolling out big time in Germany. After that, we keep on hitting country by country. If you're wondering if it's going to be available in your country, hit up your local Napoleon dealer. Ask him, does he carry the book? If not, tell him to order it right now. Or otherwise, I don't know. We'll send Eva. All right, let's get to work because we need to talk about steaks. This is a 100% full-blood Japanese Wagyu steak. The intermuscular fat on this steak is insane. It has more fat than it has meat. Let's open up this package and take a closer look. This steak must have the most insane amount of marbling that I've ever had before in a steak. I mean, come on, where's the meat? But the reason that I chose this steak is that I wanted a foolproof steak. Because we're trying a new method, and for that new method, I would like it to succeed. And there's only one steak that is really hard to mess up. And that's this Wagyu steak. Yes, I know it's expensive. Yes, I know it's crazy. But hey, that's what we're here for, right? And it's also a celebration because of the book. Marcin, I and Denise deserved a little steak. Well, Denise is no longer with us, but she's on to bigger and better things. But of course, you guys want to know about the stone. And here it is, a Stone 2.0. It's a slate, yes, one of those serving slates that you can find in the stores. And for a serving slate, they're actually quite expensive. But for a cooking device, they're really cheap. Also, they're flat, so the heat will go through really quick and you don't need that long heating period. And it's big. It's got a nice big surface. But I never tried this before and we need to figure out if it works. So let's fire up the grill. This is one of the cooler experiments because if it works, this means that all of my slate serving ware is turning into cooking ware. And even though I like serving food nicely, I enjoy cooking it even more. So I got my Napoleon Charcoal Pro Grill set up, charcoal underneath, a couple of bricks on the side and a big slate on top. From this point on, we just gotta figure it out. So I'm gonna put some stuff on and figure out if it works or not. We're starting with bacon. Kleine korte voice. Zo. Whoa. Okay, alright. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk. And?
Keep on grilling.
Keep on breaking stones, Marcin. So I'll put the bacon here now? Aww. I'm so glad we didn't put the €100 steak on just now. What am I gonna do? Maybe the stone was just too big. Maybe we were a bit enthusiastic. Maybe we should try a smaller stone. Still, I feel kind of sad. Do you have a sad music to go under this video? All right, second attempt. Marcin is worried that this thing is going to explode. I'm not that worried about it, but it might break again. Oh, now I'm scared too. I just gotta move out of the way. Try it with bacon. I know you want me in screen, but I'm scared. Am I in screen now? Ooh, it's working. Yeah, we might need a disclaimer. People don't try these experiments at home. Bad idea. You know what they say about bacon? One slice of bacon is no bacon. Look at that. We just grilled up some bacon. I guess it works. We just grilled some mushrooms, some tomatoes, some bacon, and I'm feeling pretty confident now. The slate didn't break, so let's put on another slate, preheat it, and this one's for the steak, for real. I can't believe that actually worked. Let's get into our beautiful Wagyu steak. Ooh, look at that. Absolute perfection. Wow! Cooking Wagyu, and not just any Wagyu, full-blood Wagyu on a stone. I was expecting this one to fail. But our experiment succeeded, and we ended up with a beautiful steak. Tasting time.
I can't believe this worked.
Woohoo!
Stones were exploding. Bacon is falling into the fire, and it still worked. Beautiful Wagyu. Man,
It's so tender.
how many times I said I'm tired of Wagyu, but each time I take a bite of Wagyu, I'm just melting away.
Nice crust.
Melting away with barbecue love.
You know, let me tell you this. If you pre-season your Wagyu steak, you gotta answer to me. That will be a big, big shame on you. Nobody in Japan does that. Nobody does it, period. No chefs. I don't care what you heard in the past. Don't pre-season your Wagyu steak. Only afterwards with pyramid salt. On a lighter note, the Wagyu tastes amazing.
Unicorn barbecue love.
This is like really, really appropriate, like a celebration for the book coming out.
It's insane. The crust is perfect.
I should write more books so I can eat more of these steaks.
There's something manly about cooking on the stone.
So I was surprised that the technique actually worked. And of course, it's not new cooking on stones. People have been doing this for ages. But the funny thing is that without realizing, I had these stones laying around in my cupboard. And I wasn't using them other than to put a cooked meat on afterwards and just taking a picture. But now I have a double use for them. I can use them to cook on. Stay away from the larger ones, they tend to break. The smaller ones seem to be okay.
Oh, I was eyeballing the bacon even before the Wagyu was on fire. There's something going on when you're cooking on charcoal, on a small fire, on a stone. It feels like you're a survivor. It feels like I'm Bear Grylls. But Bear doesn't grill, we grill.
Should they try this at home?
We're still alive. Now, okay, it's dangerous. It's dangerous. I mean, pieces could fly off, it could break, your Wagyu could fall in the fire. You don't want that. Don't try this at home. But if you did, send us some pictures.
But what if like you have this cool side dish? Hold on, bear with me for a minute. Like you have this small side dish and you got one of these and you put this on your grill and put a small side dish on and then you serve it hot on the table. How cool is that? You know, it's like a discovery. You and me, we are discovering things here and enjoying steak. Well, you can, but I can, but I'll let you know it's good. It's good. It's good, right, Morrison?
It's really, really good.
Let's take a piece of that tomato and the mushroom as well. On the steak. There we go. If you're ever eating a Wagyu steak, and I mean a full-blood Wagyu steak, a proper one, make sure you grill tomatoes, you grill mushroom, and you season them with salt. No pepper, don't add anything else. The tomatoes are a little bit sour. The mushrooms are nice and creamy, but they both have umami flavors. And then the Wagyu steak is so extremely rich, but it's balanced out by that tomato. So when you put it in your mouth, it's like, it's like a whole orchestra just going at it in your mouth. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure you check out the book. There's a link down below to our website and there you can just, if you see the book, click on it and we'll lead you to the right shop. If it's not available in your country yet, just like I told you, just hit up your Napoleon dealer, tell him to order one for you, and he probably will get a lot of them. So just ask where you can get it. We're already available in the Netherlands, coming soon in Germany. We're English, I got French books, I got all kinds of languages. So we're coming to you with this beautiful book. It really is beautiful. So Hope to see you guys next time. Big thank you to our patrons and YouTube members. You guys freaking rock. Eet smakelijk.
We keep on grilling.
And breaking stones. Cheers. Like really, how dangerous is it? Is it?
Well, we were scared.
Well, I was scared. Yeah, I wasn't playing. Take them together with the mushroom and the tomato. You have to do it. It becomes a whole nother story. It's even better, right?